Hey there! Welcome to today's tutorial. If you're using the Zoom app on your Android phone and want to customize the ringtone for your meeting alerts, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to change the ringtone type step by step in just a few taps. First, open the Zoom app on your Android device. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on More. In the Settings menu, find and select the Audio option. Within the Audio section, tap on Ringtone. Now tap on the Meetings tab if it's not already selected. This shows the ringtone specifically for incoming Zoom meetings. Finally, choose your preferred ringtone type from the available list. As soon as you tap it, your choice will be saved instantly. You can go back or close the settings. The next time someone invites you to a Zoom meeting, you'll hear your selected ringtone. And that's it. You've now set a custom ringtone for Zoom meetings on Android. If this video helped you, feel free to subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.